Hey everybody, Nicole Sauce here from Living Free in Tennessee. I'm taking my week off between Christmas and New Year's, and it's December 26th. We're starting a bathroom renovation. Tactical and I did not discuss how this video would go, so I'm going to say Tactical. If you have something to say or ask me that you want me to cover, let me know. So this is the before picture. I've taken everything out except for what happened?
I'm showing the floor.
I see. My exercise band, so that'll be put away somewhere else. This is the bathroom. Look, it's sad looking. Look at that floor. Yesterday I heard a story of somebody who did a mosaic floor, and I'm like, yeah, I know. And then I used white grout in the country. What the hell was I thinking? I used white grout in the country. So then it was really hard to clean. Over here you can see the uncoated grout. I scrubbed that with a brush the other day just because it gets that black color, which is gross. My dogs track stuff in. My humans track stuff in. And I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and it never gets clean. So I put a coating on it. I put polyurethane on it, and you can see that in this area here I'm pointing to with my foot, where that little broken butterfly is. And what happened is it looked great for about a few months, and then it started yellowing, and it became this dull color. So then my white grout basically looks like somebody made a mistake when peeing, and it's like this pea color all over my bathroom. So I've had this since probably 2008 or so, I don't know, sometime probably 2010. It's been here for a decade, and it's gotten worse and worse. And now that coating, that polyurethane coating is chipping off. So just like pieces of it end up places. And part of the impetus or the motivation for this bathroom redo is this floor. I want to redo it. Well, while I'm doing it, look at my tub. Now you may think, Nicole, you never clean your tub, and you would be wrong. This tub is a clawfoot tub, probably from around 1880, I would guess. And the porcelain has become dated, and it's absorbing the, dirt. And so even if I put bleach or something on this, it doesn't really get clean. And twice a year, it does what I call the suicide rust bloom. The suicide rust bloom is that I think it's rust coming out of the cast iron under the porcelain. I'm not sure, but it just turns red-ish, rust red, in a pattern that looks like somebody slit their wrists in this tub and died. Now, it does it twice a year when the seasons change. So when we go from summer to fall, or sort of mid-fall, when we go from hot to cold, and then when we go from cold to hot again. So that means in the fall around Halloween, it's okay. It just looks like a horror show. But in the spring, I'm not too thrilled with this. So I looked into recoating this and just having it sandblasted and reporcelained. And the price tag for that was about $2,500. And I was going to have to move the tub somewhere to get that done. I was going to get that done. And then one day I was on Facebook Marketplace, and I saw a freshly recoated cast iron clawfoot tub for $600. And I said, I'll buy that. So I have a different clawfoot tub that's going to replace this. This one will then be for sale. I'm going to keep the fixtures. And then let's look at this wall. You see how some of the wainscoting is dark and some is light? We had to redo all the plumbing, causing this wall to come out. I've never painted the wall. While all the stuff's out of here, I'm going to repaint the whole bathroom and address the window. So that's day one. We're starting. We're going to pull these fixtures out. We'll keep you apprised as we go. Almost out of space.